This is the depth fusion model. In that we can see the file and what is the bird view of the file. And here we are automatically calculating the weight of the particular file and what is the depth and what is the height of the file. By based on that we are creating 3D view and we are calculating the volume by using stereo camera. Here coming to the performance, this page shows how accurately our depth estimation works under the different conditions like clear weather, rain, fog. We can see here, and we are also track the sensor failure and downtime, including camera, radar, and GPS. We can attach these module to the vehicles also. So we can calculate a real-time depth estimations while moving a car or a truck. Coming to the next page, this is the page for the business impact summary, and here we can see the real-time benefits of our system and how we are reducing manual work.